Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be transforming from this
to this.
So first I'm going to just apply my powder, and I use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Up to 16 Hour Powder Foundation. And then this is in the shade 130 Buff Beige. And I'm just going to take one of my Paris Hilton brushes, which I did a review on a couple videos ago, and I'm just going to swirl into the powder, and I'm just going to put it all over my face.